Well, I'm having to replace this Chinese cotton picking rubber band, whatever you want to call it. Keeps breaking. So now what I've done, I've gone to Office Depot. They've got all these different rubber bands, and what I thought I'd try now is I'm not sure if I want to try this big thick one here or not, but we will try a couple of these small ones. I've got to get this off of there so you can get your alrighty. So what we're going to do, okay, I'm going to leave these staples in there because this is where I know that the rubber band needs to go. And we are going to use paper on top of it because we don't want the metal touching the rubber band, because you know we throw these things up on our dash and the heat will heat up that metal and melt through the rubber band. So we're going to get rid of that, and we were going to use paper. So we'll cut a little piece, kind of fold it over, take the rubber band, kind of cut it. We're going to do just like they did. We're going to put it here, staple it, and then it goes around that way. Alrighty. Put that on there. This is my, you might say, my third hand. Put that there. Then we need another piece of tape. Oh, this on there. Okay, well, this is going to make it a lot easier to hold this now. Okay, now we get our stapler. Get on there to where we don't want the staple to go through the rubber band itself. We just want it to cross over. Okay, got that one. Okay, now it's going to pull around. Now I've got to put this on to see how tight I need to pull it. Okay, well, really, it's comfortable this length. It shows to be about 12 and a half to 13 inches. We'll call it 12 and a half. So that means we'll go around to this other side. Make sure you don't twist it. Come around. Now we're going to do the same thing. Okay, got that. Okay, now let's get the stapler. Like I say, we don't want to staple through the rubber band. We want to staple across it. All right. Now, you can also, if you want to, do 2 staples on each one. Cut off the excess. Yeah, it's very comfortable. It doesn't pull together so tight like the other one did. And plus, these rubber bands are American made. So I'll probably get a little more use out of them. But there we go. Save those masks.